Today is a super exciting video. My mom has been collecting Barbies since before I was even born. When the Barbie movie came out, it reminded us all these Barbies that she still has in our garage. So we went on a hunt and we found a bunch of them, but we knew there were more to find. When my mom and I went to hunt for more Barbies, we found a ginormous box labeled Barbies. We have no idea which ones are in there. So today we're gonna open it together. So this is how big the box is. As you can see, it is labeled Barbies. So we know there's at least one Barbie in here. When I was at my parents' house, we were thinking about opening it, but we thought it would be even more fun to keep it a surprise and open it together with you. Before we jump into it, I just want to give a big thank you for all of the amazing comments on my first Barbie video. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down below, but so many of you shared your experiences with your Barbies and all the memories that you had. So it was so cool to read all those comments, and so many people shared things that I had no idea about, like the history of specific dolls and specific things that sparked memories for you. I think that's one of the most special things about Barbie is it had such an impact on all of our lives when we were children. So it's just a really special thing that we can all connect on. All right, let's see what's in this box. Okay, I want you to be able to see what I'm seeing as I pull it out. What do you think, Gary? All right, let's start with this one right at the top. We have the Flashlight Fun Whitney, friend of Barbie. I wonder if they even still make Whitneys anymore. I don't even remember there being a Whitney. Oh my goodness, okay, so she's wearing jelly shoes. I'll do a close up here. If you were a 90s baby, do you remember these shoes? Because I definitely do. She has a Piglet toy and a little Piglet book. It looks like this is fully Piglet themed. It must have been a collaboration with Winnie the Pooh. It has all of her friends on the back. And someone commented on my other video that every Barbie has the year on them. They do, and this one is 1997. All right, next up, this one's not a Barbie. This is another toy that I don't remember at all. This is Fairy Tale Favorites Princess Jasmine. Oh, this must have been from the Aladdin movie. Oh, how cool. It has every princess in the back, but this one is Jasmine and Aladdin. How cool. I do not remember this at all. Okay, we have an outfit. This is for Teen Skipper. This is Fashion Avenue. It's a little sparkly blue outfit here. Now, I haven't been in the Barbie aisle in quite a minute, but do they still sell their outfits like this? Because I remember these outfits, how they're in these skinny little boxes. Wow, this is cool. Oh, let's do this one next. Oh, Whitney must be Stacy's friend. So this is Stacy. She has a Pooh Bear toy. So as you can see here, these two are both from the same collection. So we have a couple of non-Barbies in here. This is the Tickle Me Big Bird, and then we also have the Tickle Me Cookie Monster. Do you guys remember when Tickle Me Elmo was like the biggest craze? That actually might have been at the same time as this, and maybe that's why my mom grabbed these, because Tickle Me Elmo was really having a moment. That was like the it toy of the moment. Oh my goodness, okay, I'm so excited. There are so many more Barbies in here. Next up, we have Cool Blue Barbie. She is in this corduroy overalls. She is also from 97. I wonder if most of these will be from 97 because they're all packed together, but we will see. Wow, this one's so cool. You can paint her hair a different color. Brush on blue hair streaks for Barbie doll and you. We have a couple outfits that are just in their own hangers. They must have sold them like this back then. Wow, this is so cool. So these have a couple of pink dresses here, and these are from 96. We have another outfit. This one is evening wear, Fashion Avenue. They have the full gloves, the heels, and then they have beautiful Barbie in a fashion show in the back. This one's from 97 as well. So here we have another Fairy Tale Favorites. This one is Princess and the Beast, like Beauty and the Beast. These definitely do not look trademarked by Disney. I wonder if it was that important back then. This nowhere says Disney. I wonder if Disney had the princesses back then, right? So I don't know if you can see, but there is at least 10 Barbies in here. So let's jump right in. We have the Beast. Oh wow, this is cool. Okay, so this is Disney's Beauty and the Beast. It does say Disney on here. And it's the prince with a full Beast costume, or like version of him. Wow, that is so cool. You can see the Beast there on the back of the box. This one is from 91. Wow, okay, this one's so cool. And it sold for $20 back then. This one's really cool. We have Dentist Barbie, which is cool because this one is a brunette Barbie. Let's see what year this was, because I know it was later on where all the Barbies became Barbie versus all her friends. So I'm kind of surprised this isn't Teresa, but this is Dentist Barbie with her little patient. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, it comes with a tiny little Kids Crest toothpaste and a little mirror. I actually remember using that toothpaste. Back then. This one is from 97 as well. Next up, this one is not a Barbie. This is Peppermint Rose, a magical land where you make floral and candy scented perfume. That's pretty cool. Don't remember this doll at all, but here's what she looks like. And here's the back. It's like a whole little journey back here. Now this is pretty cool because I don't think they sell this anymore at all. And this one's from 92, and it was also from Mattel. Next up, we have Disney's The Little Mermaid. I don't think this one is Barbie. I think this one's just a doll, but here we have Ariel. She has her pink outfit. And you can get all her friends too, like her dog and Prince and the wedding version too. Oh, okay, we have Belle. So we have the set here. We have Belle and she has her second dress, like the dress that she wore at the beginning of the movie. That is really exciting. I will definitely be keeping these two together. So it looks like my mom actually got a couple princesses from the same collection. So we have Jasmine and we have Cinderella. These two are the same collection as Ariel, I believe. They're the Princesses Stories collection. They come with their own little book. They each come with a little animal friend too. Just like me, I have my animal friend here. So if I had a Barbie, I think it would come with a little golden retriever. Next up, we have Festive Season Barbie. Not the holiday edition Barbies, which I did find one of those. But she is so cute. She has her stocking. This one's from '97. I love this one. This one is Florida Vacation Barbie. It's just in one of these little smaller boxes. And she has a fun swimsuit. She even has little sunglasses. Wow, the back is so 90s. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of the commercials that they would have in the 90s. This one's from '98. Oh, another holiday one. This is Holiday Treats Barbie. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? She has her apron. She looks like she's about to do some baking. That one's really cute. Here we have Back to School Barbie, a classic. She has her little denim outfit and her bangs, of course. She even has a little notebook. How cute. Oh my gosh. And it's so cute. It comes with like little cutout bookmarks. Like you can cut it out of the back of the box. I'm having a hard time finding the year on this one. Okay, so it says 92 or 94. So it could be either one of those. Maybe it came out both years. Oh my gosh, this one is such a sign of the times. This one is Teen Skipper Barbie. She looks like a teenager. She has her crop top and her jeans and a little backpack. How cute. And in the back, you can see her and all her friends. That one's cool. And she even comes with like little stickers. Yeah, I think you can decorate her outfit with her stickers. Oh, we actually already have this one. So I don't know if I'm going to keep both, but this one is Bead Blast Barbie. And this one's really cool. This is the one you can put beads in her hair. My mom must have really loved this one because I remember playing with one of these too. And I loved it too. It was a lot of fun. And she's from '97. Next up, we have Princess Barbie. She's in a beautiful purple gown. She has her crown. In the back, you can see her prince. I wonder if all of these Barbies had their own prince. Because I know obviously the Kens probably didn't sell as well. Oh, this one's so cool. This one is Olympic USA Skater Barbie. I remember being so excited to watch the figure skaters back then. And I know that they still do the Olympics. I don't get as excited about it as I did back then. Back then it was like a whole event and it was so exciting. As a figure skater on the back here. She's from '97 too. A few more, and then we're also gonna go through some more that we found that are the most special ones that I did want to share too. Oh, we have a Ken, Big Brother Ken and Baby Brother Tommy. Oh my gosh, look at Tommy's haircut. That is hilarious. So here he is. He's brunette. This is not how I remember Ken, but oh my gosh, his jacket is so 90s. It's like a windbreaker. And he has his little brother that he can carry around. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, I love that. This is a cool Ken. This one's '96. Another teenager, Extreme Green, Team Skipper Green. So this one must be part of the collection with Blue. Let me find Blue. So this must have been part of the collection with Blue. Oh yeah, you can see them here. Oh, this is from the Barbie. I did remember pulling her out before. Let's find her. Here she is. Here is Cool Blue Barbie and Extreme Green Skipper. On the back, you can also get Christy and Teresa, but I don't think my mom did. I think she just got Skipper and Barbie. All right, last Barbie in this mystery box. Oh, she's a cool one. This is Sticker Craze Barbie. She has a neon pink dress and stickers that you can like add pockets to her dress. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. This one is cool and definitely a sign of the times. Those ones are my favorites. This one's '97 too. So that was honestly so fun. My mom saved some iconic Barbies. Let me know which one was your favorite from the mystery box. I do have some other ones that we did find in various boxes when we were on our hunt that I also wanted to share. So I found a wedding Barbie. I got married this last year, so I thought this was really cool. It is the ultimate wedding dream, wedding fantasy. Wait, that's so funny. It even comes with like a lingerie Barbie. Look at the 90s fashion on this Barbie. It's like full of lace. It's so beautiful. She has the choker, the ginormous veil. She is an icon. This one is from '89, so 4 years before I was born. Also, I thought this one was really fun. My mom got a Polynesian Barbie. So my husband and I went to Bora Bora for our honeymoon. So I thought this was really cool because we have now a Polynesian Barbie. And in my last video, we found a German Barbie and a Chinese Barbie. So it's awesome that they did like a round the world collection. Here we have Earring Magic Barbie, which I thought this one was so funny because there was an earring magic Ken that actually caused a lot of controversy. Look it up if you are unfamiliar with that story. But I thought it was so cool that my mom picked up a Barbie during that time. And if she picked up a magic earring Ken, that one is actually very valuable. He's right here. Magic earring Ken. If you have a magic earring Ken, look it up. They're super rare now. Here is just one of those classic collectible ones. It's the collector Barbie as the Sugar Plum Fairy in the Nutcracker. I remember the Nutcracker being such a big thing growing up. She even has little eyelashes. So I thought this one was really cool. This one was very special and I have absolutely no idea what this is from. It's from Barbie as Dans le Relais des Halles, Empress Caesarin. Sissy Imperatrice. I'm so sorry if I butchered that, but please comment down below if you know what this is from. Maybe it was from a movie at that time, but she is gorgeous. So cool. And she's from '96. Here's the last collector Barbie, and then I have one more to share, but this one, this is the one I remember being in my mom's collection. This is the Holiday Barbie, and this one I believe is from '91, which was the year my sister was born. Yep, '91. Look at that. She's in a gorgeous velvet green gown. Her hair is huge. Like, she is iconic. This one is amazing. I think she even has blue eyeshadow. Now, something about the holiday collectors Barbies is they were so nice that everybody bought them to collect. I actually am not sure if I've ever seen anybody play with the holiday Barbie. So therefore, even though they're really special and gorgeous, the value of these are probably not going to increase because so many people held on to these ones. The ones that have the most value are the ones that probably are really rare and were mainly played with, because then a lot of people have nostalgic value for them and they're really hard to find in like mint condition. The last Barbie I wanted to share with you, this is the second Barbie I got from the new Barbie movie. So this one is new. This one I'm contributing to the collection and I actually haven't even opened it yet. I almost don't want to ruin it too much because I'm gonna be able to pack it away similarly. Here she is. I got the classic Barbie from Barbie the movie. This is the beginning of her Barbie look. This is like the classic one. I don't know if you could tell, but I feel like this Barbie is particularly tall. And she has the bangs here. Like, can you tell? Also, I know that they probably tried to make her look more like Margot Robbie, but I don't think she looks like Margot Robbie. And I also don't think she looks like Barbie. Kind of interesting. Let me know what you think. I think that Margot Robbie looks like Barbie, like in the movie, but anyways. So that was a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me. Before you leave, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen my first Barbie video, I will link it right here so it's super easy for you to find it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye.